everyone, I'm a librarian here at McAllen Public Library, and today I'm going to bring you another eAudiobook that I really enjoyed. This one is called This Is How You Lose the Time War by Amal El-Motar and Max Gladstone. It is a short but beautifully written book about two time-traveling warriors who begin exchanging letters and then eventually falling in love with each other. The two characters are Blue and Red, and they are from the future from two opposing factions. Blue is part of the Garden, which is a single vast consciousness embedded in all organic matter, like the water and volcanoes. So basically she is Team Nature. And Red belongs to the Agency, which is a post-singularity technotopia, tech utopia. And singularity is a hypothetical time in the future where technology grows so much and it becomes so uncontrollable that it results in a powerful superintelligence that overcomes all human intelligence. So she is basically Team Tech or Team Robot. Anyways, so these two are at war with each other. They're supposed to hate each other, but as you read on or listen on, you'll see that they have actually a lot more in common than not. I hope you enjoyed my review. I hope to see you next week. Please like and subscribe and comment below. I would love to hear from you. Bye. Thank you.